Mr. Gales, stop putting stuff in the chat right now. Because when you do that, Mr. Gales, that's you violating the TPO. Unless you're telling me you love me.
In today's video, we have a defendant who was caught directly violating a TPO right in front of Judge Manning. Judge Manning calls out this defendant and gives him a piece of her mind. Let's get into the video.
Thank you.
Mr. Gales.
Yes, ma'am.
We didn't get the email from you.
I sent it like 10 times. I don't know what's going on.
Well, I don't know, but I'm gonna tell you right now, Mr. Gales, you're violating this TPO.
How am I violating?
Because you said, I've never threatened you. Please stop lying. You have other men in my home when I'm not there. You also dated my cousin without me. I just want to go. Please leave me alone. You never did nothing to you. Please help. I love you, but you've destroyed my life. So I haven't destroyed your life. You don't love me. I didn't date your cousin. So those messages are directed to Miss Moore.
Because she responded it on there when I was talking to the when I was trying to talk to the DA or whoever that's responding on the on the chat. I was not talking directly to Latoya. I was just speaking out loud.
Speaking out loud, saying that.
Speaking on what was going on in the
what
situation.
She did was talking to Miss Free. When you say, I love you, but you destroyed my life, that was to her. That's not speaking out loud.
Yeah, that's when she was after she
Turn your
responded.
camera on, Mr. Gales. I'm not talking to a black screen.
I'm trying. They cut me off. It says I
Nothing's
cannot
cut
start
you
video.
off.
Yeah, it says I cannot start video because the host disabled me.
Nobody's disabled anything. I don't know why it's doing that.
Yeah, I don't know why.
There you go. Now I want to see your face, not your desk, not the takeout menu or receipts or whatever that is. Your face.
Yeah, that's
Turn
my
your camera.
my receipts. My
Now,
receipts to
I have
the
not
hotel
seen,
stay.
if you say that you have a different bond order than the one that's here that I've looked at, you hadn't sent it. It's not there. And Ms. Free, we got whatever Ms. Moore wanted to send. And we've got what the other ladies sent. So you're the only one that seems to have an issue emailing.
Yeah, I sent the bond order. I mean, and it's my place. I'm not sitting here. I'm at work. I have to work 40, 50 hours a week, as you can see.
Okay, so I don't see the bond order. And it's not here.
I tried to send it. Can I send it again? Can I send it again?
Are you sending it to my email, sir?
Yes. What is the email, man?
It's in the chat. I put it in there about 5 times.
It's in the chat again, Mr. Gale. She is not going to say her email out loud.
I'm responsible.
All right, stand by.
Tiffany Hall 0424.
All right, so Ms. Moore, tell me this. If you take yourself off mute, Ms. Moore.
Yes.
All right. And Ms. Moore, I don't care. Just answer my question. Obviously, you were arrested. Okay, who cares? You got that presumption of it. I don't care. Not holding that against anybody. Were you arrested somewhere besides Fulton County?
Like pertaining to this case?
What he's talking about another bond order. So
no, I wasn't arrested like outside of Fulton County.
So the bond order in Fulton County, you're saying, is the only one.
Right. And I called up about that, because
I don't want you to say anything.
Okay.
I don't want you to say anything. I'm just saying the bond conditions that I saw on an arrest in April says stay away from the 2 minor children.
We don't have children.
Or the 2 children, whatever that's named on there.
Okay.
Am I right?
We don't have children. So I'm not sure.
Children that were included on it, right? Tell me what you were charged with.
Battery.
And anything else?
That's what the bond order was for, and it said no contact, and it didn't say anything about. I was never served with anything that said I couldn't be here on the property. I was just told no contact.
Hold on.
I'm sending everything. I send everything to georgia.gov. I don't know why it's not going.
Stop. You say one more of our emails on there and that's it. I'm just gonna remove you because I can't.
Is there any way I could send it to the chat for a phone number?
Sir, you have to put my entire email on there, not just the Fulton part. You have to put everything that I type in is what you have to put in.
All right, so on here it does say stay away from the MOK address, Ms. Moore. That's one of your bond conditions from September. And I don't see where they've been modified.
Well, I'm a little confused because when I called up on that and asked specifically about my bond conditions, they did not state that to me, and I never received anything in writing that said that to me. And as
So when you got out of jail, they give you a copy of your bond order.
I didn't receive.
When you process out, Ms. Bray is your public defender, so you need to reach out to Ms. Bray because I am looking at your bond order right here, and it says,
Can you?
Ms. Bray.
Email now. Please give me like 5 minutes. I gotta write it down because it's like
Mr.
pretty
Gale,
long.
stop talking.
Please give me like 5 minutes.
You said Miss Bray was my public defender.
I mean, she is your public defender. So that's who it is. Do you see it? Right there. Stay away from 3750.
Okay, well, this is the first time I'm seeing this. I didn't know.
I mean, you get copies of it when you bond out. They give you copies when you bond. They give you all your paperwork. However, so you got to leave the house because your bond conditions have not been modified. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So where did he go? Now he's gone.
But moving forward, I for my safety, and I would still like to have this protective work.
He's gone. He's gone. Can't hear him. He's gone. For some reason, he's gone. All right. So,
Can I question?
nope, not until he gets back.
Oh, okay.
Once they councils, we will start on yours in just a minute. But we still don't have proof of service, do we? Or do we, Ms. Free? On that one. Just
No,
have
Your
a
Honor.
card. Here's what we're going to do. Mr. Gales, here's what I'm going to do. Okay? This is going to be reset. Ms. Free, what date?
Let me pull up that calendar. We do the 4th, next Wednesday at 11 o'clock.
All right. So January the 4th at 11 a.m. In the meantime, Ms. Moore, you need to go by the police department and get a copy of that police report that says they served him. Number 2, we're going to modify the ex parte. So Ms.
You know,
Moore,
I have no place to go. I don't have money, and
but Ms. Moore, right now, you're violating your bond condition. They can revoke your bond and you will sit in jail until your trial.
I believe I spoke with them in regards to that before I even.
Ms. Moore, I'm looking at it. Your bond conditions have not been modified. So
Okay.
you can speak for Ms. Sandifer, but right now you're in violation of your bond conditions.
I wasn't aware. And how
Okay,
much
that's fine, but I'm saying you got to leave the house.
how much time?
Do you need their help to help you find somewhere to stay?
I don't have anywhere to go.
Ms. Sandifer, you could put her in touch with somebody.
Yes, Your Honor. If you want to put us in a breakout room, I'd be happy to talk
All
with Ms.
right.
Moore.
So, and what do you think what's the day? Wednesday? By Friday, can she get something, you think?
I will put her in touch with the emergency.
Okay. Your co-host, Ms. Sandifer, so you can place you can place both of you in there. There's more. What we're going to do is we're going to reset this, and she'll have until Mr. Gales, like Friday at 6 p.m. And you'll have to be gone from the house.
Friday, 6 p.m.
And then, Mr. Gale, you can return at 6:30, not 6:01, not 6:15, 6:30 p.m. That should give you will be gone.
Also,
Okay. So that's all I'm doing today because I'm not hearing evidence because we don't have proof of service. Ms. Sandifer is going to put you in a breakout room. Mr. Gales, if you have placed your email in the chat, we have not received a single email from you, but anyway, place your email in the chat. We'll send you both copies of the reset order, or you need to get a copy of that police report and give it to Sandifer and she'll get it to us. Sanford, you want to go ahead and put y'all in the breakout room? I guess-
If my bond conditions are modified during that time, before our hearing, with that,
you need to talk, you need to talk to Ms. Bray. Need to call your public defender, okay? Think on me, Senator, there I go. Mr. Gales, you can go ahead and leave. We've got your email. You place your email in the chat. We'll send you a copy of the reset notice. And you can go Friday, 6:30 p.m. Ms. Free. Mr. Gale, you can return. She can be out at 6 p.m. Ms. Free, you can go at 6:30. Ms. Moore, join that breakout room. At least you and Ms. Sanford in that breakout room. You can join it so she can talk.
I was thinking about